everybody, it's Greg here, and this video is going to be a quick comparison between the 70 and the 71-72 Chevelle bumpers. So I'll tell you everything that you need if you're wanting to do a bumper swap. So here they are, obviously. Top one is a 70. This bottom one is a 71, but the 72 looks just like it. In fact, this is a late model 71 because it's got the larger reverse lights. Early will have small reverse lights. That's the difference. All right, so before I melt, the bumpers are the same size-wise as far as length and height. So obviously there are some look differences. Some people like the 70s, some like the 71, 72s, and the 70 has that black piece of rubber you can put on it, which really helps. But everybody has their opinions. So other than the obvious visual differences, the valance is actually different. The way it's different is on the 70, this piece here doesn't go down as far as on the 71, 72. So the 70 valance, those holes won't line up. But you can convert a 70 to fit a 71, 72 by drilling holes here, and you might want to do some trimming there, maybe fill in some. But you can make a 70 fit a 71, 72. It's going to be harder going the other way because a 71, 72 valance, these holes will be lower and you won't have this extra on top. But you could fab it. All right, let's turn them over and look at the back before my camera melts. So here's the back side, 70, 71, 72. The brackets are completely different. They are completely different. If you look here, on the 70, you have a bracket here, then you have this bracket here. 71, this bracket goes all the way down, back up into here, and then you have this bracket. Oh, and this bracket is different than that bracket. Again, completely different. The wasp nest in there. I don't think it's active. Yeah, it's dormant. It's dead. The housing on the 70 is pot metal. It goes in, it's very similar, and it just bolts in. The 71, 72, plastic. However, the license plate light appears to be identical. So if you're going to do a swap, not only do you need the bumper, you have to have the mounts, the upper and lower mounting brackets, and of course the lights, the housings, the little pieces here. And by the way, the 70 does have those. I just didn't, one's broke and the other one I just didn't put on. And then you got to make your decision on the valance. If you want to, if you have a 70 going to a 71, 72, then it's less fab than a 71, 72 going to a 70. All right, I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and God bless.